Hey, there was a mosquito.
Make this bug-off roll-on to help naturally repel insects using the power of plants. To make this recipe, subscribe to our Simply Earth recipe box at simplyearth.com/box and hit subscribe. When your box comes to your door, open up your monthly essential oil recipe box and pull out your recipe card and label and citronella and lemongrass essential oils. These oils contain natural properties that repel insects.
And from your big bonus box that you get as a first-time subscriber, you're gonna wanna grab either your almond oil or your fractionated coconut oil and one of your 10 milliliter roll-on bottles.
These carrier oils that come in your big bonus box naturally dilute the essential oil so it's safe to put on your skin. So we'll be using coconut oil for this recipe. Grab your roll-on and just remove the cap by getting your thumb underneath there.
Or if it's easier, you can use a butter knife too.
Add that, and then in our roll-on, we're going to use a 3% dilution, which is safe for everyday use. We're going to use 3 drops of each, so 3 drops lemongrass and 3 drops citronella. Just fill it up the away with fractionated coconut oil to safely dilute those oils. Replace that roller cap. Give it a swirl, shake it up, whatever floats your boat, and
Don't forget your label.
this label comes in your recipe box. To use, apply it to pulse points or desired area to help naturally repel insects.
You can pop that guy right in your purse and take it hiking with you.
For more great recipes like this, subscribe to our essential oil recipe box where you can learn how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity.
Go to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now.
Thanks for watching.
See ya later. Hey.
Hey. You go. You don't say hey at all.
Okay, just slappy?
Yeah.
Like lightly, obviously.